If you want to create your job biodata format online, you can use this web tool, and it is free. You don't need any sign up as well, and there is no watermark as well. When you enter the information here you can see the live data of the biodata, and you can also upload the photograph as well. After entering all the details, you can download the PDF. If you want to add the border, you can tick this box, or if you don't want the border, you can untick this box. Let's see how I create a sample biodata format. First, enter your name. Next, enter your mobile number. Next, enter your email ID. Next, enter your photograph. Here you can see after uploading the photograph, here you can see the live preview. Next, enter your date of birth. Next, write your father's name. Next, enter your qualification. Now click on add qualification option so that you can see the qualification details are present on your biodata. If you want to add a new qualification, for example, if you want to add your intermediate details, then again type your intermediate details. Now click on add qualification. Now you can see your additional qualification details are also added to your biodata. So like this, you can add your qualification to this biodata. Next, you can see the experience. If you are a fresher, just type fresher and click on add experience, and the experience is also added to your biodata. If you want to add multiple experiences, click on add experience, like add qualification option. Next, enter your computer skills like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, like that. Next, enter your hobbies. Next, enter your religion. Next, enter the languages you know. Next, enter your address. See, the biodata is ready. If you want to add the border, click on add border to PDF. Now just click on download PDF option. See, here you can save your biodata. Give any name and click on save. Once you download, your biodata will look like this. And if you want to take a printout, you can take a printout by clicking Ctrl P option. And if you want to share this biodata, you can share it through email as well. So it is a simple way to create your job biodata format. It is free and you don't need any Google Docs or MS Word. Just enter your details and see the live preview. You can also upload your photograph and add border and click on download PDF option. That's it. I will give the link of this web tool in the below video description. Just click on that link and you will come to this page. Here you can make your biodata.